everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Plano. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser, and in the top there's this address bar. You need to type down plano.gov and enter it. And once inside this homepage of Plano here, in the top there's this search here. You need to select search and type down fine payments and enter it. So from here, you need to select this fine payment here. And after that, you need to scroll a bit down here and select this online payment City of Plano Municipal Courts. And after that, scroll a bit down again and select this I agree here in the bottom. So from here, you can simply search by your citation number and the date of birth or your driver's license, vehicle number or your name. As I'm going to select this driver's license here in the bottom and simply type down driver's license number and select the state that you're from and type down your date of birth. And after that, select the search here in the bottom. And after that, you can follow the on-screen instruction. You can choose payment in full or another eligible option as well and complete the payment, and you can save your confirmation. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.